Hi, I'm Kelly from Metro Payment Technologies. We've partnered with NMI to bring you our customized Metro Payment Gateway. Today's video will be covering the topics shown below. We hope you find this video helpful, and please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.
The Country Currency Configuration page lets you select what country and currency you want to show up by default in the virtual terminal interface. So that's when you go to the main menu and go to credit card or electronic check transactions when you're running them through the control panel. These default to the United States and USD if you don't select anything else, but you can select whatever country. I'll select the UK, and you can change the currency. The currency will show any currency that is available on your account. This account has USD and euros. I'll switch it to euros and hit save. That's it. Now, if I go to the credit card page and run a sale, I'll see the currency is set to euro by default, as well as United Kingdom for the country.
Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions regarding our gateway, please contact us at 1-800-771-3719 or email us at service@metropaytech.com. Also, be sure to check out our website, www.metropaytech.com, to see all the other products and services we offer, including our new Fee Buster program, which offers you 0 processing fees.